Today we're going to unbox the Fifine Tank 3 professional microphone. Thanks for Fifine sending me this out so I could review it on my channel. And we are using this microphone right now as we speak. The sound quality is crisp. Here's the star of the show, the Tank 3. It has a solid weight to give off a premium feel. Along with the microphone, we have a sturdy tripod stand and Type-C cable. In the front here we have a dedication mute button. On the top here is your headphone gain. Then the bottom is your microphone gain output. So the mic doesn't come with the shock mount, but it comes with this nice handle which lets you maneuver the mic however you want. And on the bottom here we have XLR port, USB-C port, and 3.5 audio headphone jack. Setting up the microphone was easy. The tripod stand feels stable, ensuring that the microphone stays in place during recording sessions. Plus the adjustment angle allows for flexible position. I was genuinely impressed by the audio quality of the Tank 3. The sound is crisp, clear, and free from background noise. Whether you're a content creator, musician, or podcaster, this microphone definitely one of the best budget-friendly microphones to get. Overall, the Tank 3 exceeds the expectations in terms of build quality, easy of setup, and most importantly, audio performance. If you're in the market for a reliable and affordable microphone, I highly recommend giving this a shot. There's a couple of different ways you could use this microphone. I have it hooked up to my audio interface, the Steinberg IXO12 interface. Or you could connect it directly through your Type-C port and through your PC direct connection. So you don't need an audio interface for this, which is really neat. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.